When the waste toner box becomes full, the symbol for replacing the waste toner box blinks and the message "Dispose of used toner" appears. Perform the following steps to replace a waste toner box. The symbol for replacing the waste toner box blinks and the message "Dispose of used toner" appears. Open the front cover. Turn the green lever to the unlock position. Take out the waste toner box straight toward you, pushing down the top latch. Put the used waste toner box in the plastic bag the new one was contained in and seal it with adhesive tape. Turn the 4 green levers to the unlock position. Take out the green cleaner inside the cover. Insert the cleaner through the service hole of the developer under the arrow to the end. Pull the cleaner back out until the round hole appears. Repeat this 3 times for each of the 4 colors. Attach the cleaner with its top on the right and its holding side on the left. Turn the 4 green levers to the lock position. Push the waste toner box securely until the upper latches click, taking care not to tilt it. Turn the green lever to the lock position. Close the front cover.